Hello, parents and students. I'm going to show you how you can access this week's science assignments on the JMMS 7th grade Google Classroom page. So I'm starting right here on the main page where it's stream, and I'm going to go to the classwork tab. In the classwork tab, you will see all these topics. If that's too overwhelming, you can just go to the left and click science. So I've posted my Zoom office hours for today, Monday, 11 a.m. or sorry, 11:45 a.m. to 12:45 a.m. p.m. And you click on the link and then you can go to the Zoom. It is drop-in. It would be helpful if you would look over the menu first. So I'm going to show you the menu and it has a 1 and it says start here. So it says, please follow the science activities in the number order that I labeled them. I did not put the may do's as assignment links on Google Classroom because they are optional. If you would like to do them, go to the menu for the links. So I'm going to click on the menu or the playlist. And it says this is the correct week, and it says science playlist topic, scientist. Directions. First, watch the instructional videos in the green boxes. Next, complete both assignments in the blue boxes. Lastly, the yellow boxes are optional assignments. This will be due Monday, May 4th, and my office hours are posted here again. So this is an assignment on Google Classroom to watch this video that explains Pick a Scientist and the presentation part of the blue boxes. This part where it says starting here, it means it's the same video, but it's going to start with the presentation part at this part of the link. So going over this, you're going to pick a scientist. You're going to click on this doc. It's also going to be on this doc with this video is going to be one of the assignments on Google Classroom. And it looks like this. There are 30 scientists here with resources for you to look at. So if you want to see that on the Google Classroom, I go down here. It says, I'm going to click it. Oh, let me go back to the question. So it says, which scientist did you choose? Any questions about this assignment? So it says, first, please watch this video. It says Science Week 2. Next, please go through the scientist Google Doc I provided. That's the one I already opened. That's right here. And then it says to get on BrainPop, click the directions. So here is the BrainPop directions if you need that. Lastly, type your answer here. I want to know which scientist you're choosing and any questions you might have about this assignment. So then you would type that as your answer. So going back to my playlist, then I have the presentation. So requirements are here. These are also on the Google Classroom assignment. So your project must include why you chose your scientist from the list that I provided and I've already shown you. The contribution to science, significant inventions or finds, important dates, why he or she became famous, and then the works cited at the end. Your student can use the resources I provided, or if they would like to, going back over here, they can search further. I suggested on my video to use this wacky safe search engine so that if you were to try Albert Einstein, that you're only seeing child-friendly websites. Let's see if it works. There we go. So this is from Science Kids. This is from history.com, nobelprize.org, and they are credible, mostly. Okay, going back to the requirements, after your student has done these two things, they're going to choose one topic of their choice. So they could do early life and childhood, which includes birthday, birthplace, where he or she lived, family information, or education, or contemporaries, or the impact on society. They only have to choose one of these 4 topics right here. So then after you've looked at the requirements, you can create an essay with a Google Doc. You could create a Google Draw. You can create a Google Slides, which I've gone over how to do these things in this video that's right here in the green boxes. You could create your own BrainPop movie. which if you click here, it gives you the step-by-step guide on how to make a movie. Also, if I go back to my assignment, it says, to the last one, it says 3 My Scientist. I have a BrainPop movie explanation video and the requirements here and the make a movie step guide that I showed you. And then I have this option, if you're using the essay and it's a little hard for you to type, you can use the speech to text voice typing option. So this goes over the science. Going back to the playlist, I only posted the video instructions and the tasks. Those are must-dos. The may-dos are the Legends of Learning, which go over scientific method games, and IXL, which goes over the suggested skill this week is engineering practices, and you would click here. I have a video for instructions on how to do that here and here. The links, so when you click on the link, it's very important if you go to Legends of Learning that you have to, it says, is this your first time here? You sign up if you haven't already signed up or your student. IXL, it's going to take you to the Alpine School District and you just put in the beginning part of your email and then your same password that you use for your Gmail. Okay, so this was everything. If you have any email or any questions, feel free to email me or your student can email me. Thank you.